On your Seadoo Spark, if you take it out of the water and put it on a trailer and you see that there's a lot of water leaking out of the drive shaft area, you'll see from the bottom of the jet ski the water coming out. Then it is advised that you remove the deck of your jet ski, and then we're going to remove the rear end of the exhaust system so that we can inspect where the drive shaft comes out of the motor. Okay, so the rear end of the exhaust has been removed, exposing this part where the drive shaft goes through. So we have to take off the jet drive in order to pull out the drive shaft. Okay, so with the clamps released, you have to pull back this boot, revealing the clamp right there, as you can see, and you have to cut off that clamp. Okay, now you can remove your drive shaft. Okay, we've reinserted the drive shaft just to make a mock-up so that we can show you how this thing works. So with the bellows sitting here, water enters from the jet drive system under pressure, and then that's the reason for the bellow, to seal the water out of the system. Now, there's a seal inside of this compartment, and when it breaks, then the water is going to leak out here. There's another hole at the bottom where it can also leak out. So we're going to remove this part now. Okay, remember, drain the oil out of your system before removing this. Okay, with this removed, we can now inspect the seals. So those are the position of the seals, and you can see clearly that they are worn out. These seals keep the water out of the hole, as we explained to you earlier, inside of the bellow. Now if you turn this around, you can see there's an oil seal. So the oil seal sits here on the crankshaft nose, and it keeps the oil in the engine. The other two seals sit here, where you can see there's clear flaking, and they keep the water from entering the hull. So this is a problem from Seadoo between 2014 and 2017 with the Seadoo Spark tricks. This has been revised to a nose that you can remove, but in this case we are going to have to replace the crankshaft.